In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a font in Elementor. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your website or just want to inject a little personality, changing the font can make a world of difference. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can do this effortlessly using Elementor. First things first, you'll want to open any page or template you have that's already set up with Elementor. If you've already got that covered, then you're off to a great start. Simply navigate to the page where you plan to make these changes. This is your canvas, and we're about to give it a fresh coat of paint with some new typography. Now, the next step is to zero in on a text widget. This could be one of many options, like a heading or a text editor, depending on what you're working with. Click on the widget to start. By interacting with this widget, you're telling Elementor exactly where you'd like the font change to occur. This step involves a bit of exploration on your part, so engage with the interface and get comfortable with it. Once you've selected your text widget, head over to the Style panel and click on Typography. This is your control center for all things related to how your text looks. Here, you'll see an option labeled Font Family with a drop-down menu. Clicking on this will reveal a host of font choices. You can either scroll through the options or, for a quicker approach, type the name of the font you're interested in. It's particularly helpful to know what you're looking for, but feel free to explore what's available as well. After selecting your preferred font, you'll be prompted to pick a variation of it. For instance, you might want something bold, or perhaps something italicized. The choices you make here can significantly affect the visual impact, so pick what resonates with the overall vibe of your website. Finally, let's not forget the finer details. Once you've settled on a font, you have the opportunity to fine-tune and customize it further. Adjust the size to make sure it's legible and fitting within your design. Don't stop there. Play around with the spacing, whether it's line spacing or letter spacing, to ensure everything looks just right. If the options feel a bit overwhelming, take your time to experiment with different settings until you're satisfied. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a font using Elementor's intuitive tools. Remember, it's all about what feels right for your website, so don't hesitate to try out various fonts and see what stands out. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.